Welcome to this short presentation on collision checks in Naviate Pipe. Naviate's command create multiple interference checks can create interference checks between all networks in the drawing at once. You can edit the settings for the interference check from the cogwheel button in the dialog. Once a check has been created, it is accessed from Toolspace, so when you have edited your design to remove the collision, the existing interference symbols are removed directly, and to verify the new design, right-click on the check in Toolspace to rerun it. The other interference method in Naviate is to create clearance solids around your pipes. These are a more visual representation of the clearance distance. If your pipes are moved, the clearance solids can be updated. The solids can be used to run collision checks against other solids. For instance here, where I have the solids from a road, and with the command interfere, I can check where the road solids collide with the pipe clearance solids.